Designed by bikers for bikers of today and tomorrow, the BackRider Belt 5-point child recreational riding harness is growing in popularity, with the largest demand coming from the USA, Canada, Australia, the UK, and Europe. And here's why. This product, which comes conveniently packaged, is exceptionally constructed with top-quality material. 1000 type Cordura denier nylon fabric, strong nylon webbing and Velcro, easy-to-use plastic buckles. It comes in 2 sizes for adults, while the child harness easily adjusts to size for children aged 2 through 10. Weighing just 1.6 kilograms or 3.3 pounds, the belt is designed with a number of safety and comfort features. All buckles are placed behind the child. It is constructed with reflective safety strips and visible colors. The high and wide contoured belt has tapered sides to allow easy control of the vehicle. The harness supports the child in an upright position. The helmet support pad helps cradle the child's neck. Novelty handles provide a stable handhold for the rider. A separator block offers balance control for the driver and added comfort for the child. Designed by bikers for bikers of today and tomorrow, the BackRider Belt 5-point child recreational riding